So the Fed has spoken today, and it looks like interest rates are going to remain as they are for the next little bit. If you are looking to buy a home and you've been waiting on those interest rates to go down, and you've woken up every morning and checked what the rates are projected to be, maybe your focus instead should be the monthly payment. And let's talk about why. Let's talk about why your monthly mortgage payment should be your top priority, even more than the interest rate. Most people get too focused on locking in a low interest rate. And to be sure, yes, interest rates are an important factor, but what really impacts your life is your monthly payment. Think about it. Most of us make our family budget decisions based on what we can afford on a monthly basis. Your mortgage payment is going to be one of the items in that family budget. And the payment includes more than just the interest rate. It includes the loan principal, it includes taxes, and it includes insurance. So let's look at how each of those items impacts the total monthly payment that you're going to have. The principal is the amount that you borrow to buy the home. And each month, part of your payment goes towards paying down that loan. For example, if you borrow $300,000, that's your principal. And over time, you're going to pay this amount off bit by bit. The second component of the monthly payment is the interest rate, and that is the fee that your lender is charging you for borrowing the money. And it's a percentage of the remaining loan balance, but not the original amount. And there are a lot of factors that go into the lender's decision in which interest rate you're going to be charged to purchase that money. Taxes and insurance are the third and fourth component. Your property taxes are charged by your local government to help pay for things like schools and roads and other infrastructure projects. But instead of paying them all at once, one time a year, your lender is going to spread out that tax payment and into smaller portions and adds that amount to your mortgage payment. And that amount is put into a special account called an escrow account. And when the taxes are due for the year, that's what they're paid from, and your lender takes care of that for you. Okay, your homeowner's insurance, which is the fourth component. Of course, you realize that it protects your home from damage that's caused by fire or storms or theft or other factors, and that depends a lot on what is included in your policy. And the lender requires you to have it because they want to protect the home, which is their investment. They spread the cost out, and a portion of your yearly premium is added to your monthly mortgage payment, and again, put into an escrow account. Now, based on the information that you have shared with your lender, they may be able to approve you for a pricier home. But the monthly mortgage payment, based on the addition of all of those four components, just may be higher than you're comfortable for paying. Just because you qualify for a certain amount does not necessarily mean that it fits your lifestyle. You certainly don't want to be house poor. You want to still be able to take a vacation or go out to dinner. Remember, you can refinance the rate later if the market changes significantly. But what you can't do is refinance a bad decision that strains your monthly budget right now. At the end of the day, your monthly payment is what truly impacts your financial well-being, not just what the interest rate on the piece of paper says. When you understand what goes into that payment and how it all fits into your budget, you're going to be in a much better position to make a smart, confident home buying decision. So before you fall in love with a house, or before you get too caught up in chasing that really low rate, you need to ask yourself this one question. If I were to purchase the house right now and my monthly payment was going to be this, can I afford it right now, all in, as far as my family budget goes? Because the right home isn't just about the price. It's also about the peace of mind that comes with buying that home in a smart way. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and thoughts about real estate, because your support of the channel helps others find this information too. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.